If Telegram keeps lagging, freezing, or responding slowly on your iPhone, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix Telegram lagging on iPhone. Let's get started with some basic solutions. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off. And ensure you're on the latest version. If that doesn't work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check for a server outage. Before changing any settings, verify if the problem is on Telegram. Open Safari on your iPhone and go to downdetector.com. Type the name of Telegram in the search box. Analyze the graph. A huge spike in the last hour indicates a widespread outage. Read comments. Scroll to the bottom to see real-time comments from other users. If the server is down, then wait until it's okay. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache. Now, open Telegram and go to Settings. Then go to Data and Storage. Tap Storage Usage. Clear entire cache. Once cleared, turn airplane mode off and try again. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone settings. Then go to General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. Solution 4. Reinstall Telegram. Delete Telegram from your iPhone. Now restart your iPhone. Reinstall Telegram from the App Store and sign in again. I think it's gonna work. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone and Telegram fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.